Good evening students and welcome all of you to my YouTube Edu channel. Today this video session is especially for class 9 and I am going to discuss the question answer of the second chapter The Little Girl. Question answer of the second chapter The Little Girl from your Behind book. Okay, I have already made a video of explanation on this chapter. I recommend you to watch it fully before you come onto this video. Okay, so starting from the exercise on page number 38, first question: given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the column A with items in column B. First of all, fear of terror. Okay, first one is fear of terror. Yes, she has fear of terror when father comes home. Going to bed when alone at home. Yes, means second number option and 5 number option will match the first number. Okay. Next, glad sense of relief. When did she had glad sense of relief? Whenever his father went for office. So the answer would be father comes in to her room to give her a goodbye kiss. Okay. Noise of carriage grows fainter. A funny feeling, perhaps of understanding. When father comforts her and fall asleep. Father stretched out on the sofa snoring. Okay. Move to the second question. Second part. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. First question. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Okay. Kezia was afraid of her father because he never spoke to him with love. Okay. She always tried to answer his all the questions very clearly, but at last she could not, and she would be scolded by his father. Who were the people in Kezia's family? Kezia's family belonged of 4 members: her father, her mother, her grandmother and she. She also had a cook along with it. What was Kezia's father's routine before going to his office? Before going to his office, Kezia's father would come to Kezia's room every morning and kiss her as a goodbye kiss. Okay. After coming back from his office, whenever her father came back from the office, he always asked everyone to potter things for him, such as he would ask for the newspapers, for his slippers, for his glasses and a cup of tea. On Sundays, Kezia's father would do nothing but stretch upon the sofa and loll on the straight for till evening, putting his handkerchief on his face. Okay. Question number 4, students. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Kezia's grandmother knew since Kezia and her father were not spending time with each other, they were not having nice talks, which had caused a gap of communication and developed fear in Kezia's against her father. So she always suggested Kezia to go in their room and talk to them, have some nice talks on every weekends. Okay. Next, she would also give some interesting ideas, such as on one upcoming birthday, she suggested Kezia to make a pin cushion and present to her father as a surprise and impress him. Section 3 students, discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Question number 1. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kezia's grandmother found a gap of communication between Kezia and her father. So she always kept suggestive measures to develop the bond of relationship between them. And one day she suggested Kezia to present a pin cushion made by her own hand on the upcoming birthday of her father. Kezia agreed to the suggestion and she at once started working on it. She got 2 pieces of clothes, and she stitched both the pieces of clothes at 3 sides. Okay? But at very next time, she was confused and worried. She wondered with what stuff the pillow should be filled with. She started searching to get something so that she could fill into the pin cushion. While her search, she found some papers lying in her mother's room. She took the bundle of papers, tore them into pieces and filled all those torn pieces into her pin cushion and then stitched at the 4th side at last. The same evening, her father found that his important part speech was missing, and unfortunately Kezia has got them and made them into pieces and filled into her pin cushion that she had made to present her father. This made her father angry when he came to know this, and he punished Kezia with cane. Thus, Kezia's effort to impress her father ended up in vain, and it disappointed his father, unfortunately. Coming to the next question, students. Kezia decides that there are different kind of father. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? Kezia had seen her father never showing politeness and never talking with love to her. Kezia hadn't ever seen her father showing politeness or talking with love to her. But while peeping out through a hole in the fence at her boundary, she found that Mr. MacDonald, who lived next to her, was a different sort of father, because he played with his children with such an enthusiastic spirit. She saw there that his youngest child was sitting at the soldier, and two of her daughters or the other child were just hanging with his jacket. They all were having a fun time throwing waters on each other and laughing wholeheartedly. Mr. MacDonald was just enjoying with the children. There she decided that every father are not to be feared of. Mr. MacDonald was different. Second part, answer for the second part. Mr. MacDonald was different than Kezia's father, because Kezia's father would never spare time from his daily routine, from his office works, to have some fun talks, to have some interesting talks, or to play some games with Kezia. Mr. MacDonald would just love his children and talk with his children, speak with his children with a laughing mood, unlike Kezia's father. Kezia's father every time scolded Kezia for any negotiable or little matters. Okay? In this kind, Kezia's father was different from MacDonald, or MacDonald was different from Kezia's father. Okay? Next question. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? One day, Kezia and her father were alone at home because Kezia's mother had been ill and she had been at hospital that day along with Kezia's grandmother. Kezia has an unusual habit of seeing nightmares, unusual habit of having nightmares, and she would not like to sleep alone. But that day she had to sleep alone because she was afraid of her father. But at night, as per usual routine, she again woke out suddenly, crying as she has seen a butcher with a knife after her. But that day, she was amazed to see his father at her bed. She was amazed to see her father near her bed with a lighted candle. Then her father took her in his arms and to her own bedroom. Okay? There Kezia saw that his father was trying to soothe her and suggesting some ways so that Kezia can sleep, but she laughed wholeheartedly. She smiled to see that her father slept before her. And this was the very point where Kezia understood her father, problems of her father, really, that her father was so busy with his office tasks and his daily routine that he did not get time to spare to play and have fun like McDonald's. And on the second note, there was nobody in the family who could render some love to her father. Okay? That day, from that day, he found a human being who was helpless, who was tired, who usually get tired of his daily routines, in his father, in her father, pardon. Okay, so students, this was the question and answer help for your second chapter of Bihai book, The Little Girl. I hope you understood everything, and I suggest you not to copy the answer exact as said by me, because you shall always try to write down the answers in your own language and use your own creative sentences or statements. Okay, CBSE especially emphasizes upon this skill. Okay, and till then I will request you to please like and subscribe, and as well as share my channel, YouTube Edu channel. Until then, take care, goodbye.